Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to continue the series we started a few days ago on Exponent. We're looking at the part 3 today. If you are coming across our video for the first time, try to follow us on TikTok, and follow us on Facebook. Like our videos on Facebook and TikTok. And if you are watching us on YouTube, ensure you hit the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified when we upload new videos. So if you have children or friends and families preparing for exams like the SAT, the GRE, the GMAT, even the West African Senior School Certificates, you'll find this video very interesting. So ensure you subscribe so that you get access to every video that we upload on a daily basis. So today we'll continue with the series on exponents. In our previous lecture, we talked about 6 rules of exponents. The first rule, second rule, third rule, fourth rule, fifth rule, and the 6th rule of exponents. So if you have not watched that video, go to the part 1 and part 2 of exponents at Ask the Mathematician. You'll find the 6th rule, the first 6 rules of exponents which we discussed. So I'm going to start straight from the 6th rule, rule number 6. The 6th rule of exponents is, if you have a raised to the power minus x over y, this is the same thing as writing 1 over the y root of a to the power x. This one actually is a combination of this is the 7th rule now. That's the 7th rule. This is a combination of the 6th rule and the 4th rule of exponents. The 4th rule is the rule used to remove the negative word index. Then the 6th rule is one that has the a raised to the power x over y without the minus sign. So a combination of the 6th rule and the 4th rule gives this 7th rule of exponent. So for example, if you have 4 raised to the power minus 1 over 2, using this 7th rule of exponents, this one is the same thing as writing 1 over the square root of 4. Actually, 4 is to the power 1, but there's no need to write the 1, but 4 is to the power 1 is the same thing as 4. So this one gives 1 over 2. But the square root of 2 or 4 is a number that multiplies itself 2 times to get 4, and that number is 2. Similarly, if you have something like 32 raised to the power minus 2 over 5. We can make use of this 7th rule. This one gives 1 over the 5th root of 32 raised to the power 2. So from what we talked about in our previous video, we can as well write this one as 1 over the 5th root of 32 to the power of 2. When we talk about the 5th root of 32, we're talking about a number that multiplies itself 5 times to get to 32. And that number is 2. This one can also be written as 1 over 5th root of 32, which is 2. Then this power 2 here. So we have that. 2 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 4. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 times what? 2 and that gives what? 4. Alright, let's take another example to illustrate the 7th rule of exponents. Just to simplify, 8 raised to power minus 2 over 3. Here we can apply the 7th rule of exponents, so that this one can be written as 1 over the cube root of 8 raised to power 2. This gives 1 over the cube root of 8 raised to power 2. And this one will be 1 over the cube root of 8 is talking about the number that multiplies like 3 times to get to 8. And that number is 2. So we have 2 raised to the power 2. And 2 raised to the power 2 is what? 4. 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 times what? 2, and that gives what? 4. It's just as simple as that. So exponent as a topic is not actually a very difficult topic. All you need to do is to understand and remember the 7 rules of what exponents. You can remember the 7 rules of exponents, the application will not be a problem. So it doesn't matter how the question is. All you need to do is just to recall the rule of exponent that you can use to solve that particular question, and then you can solve the question with ease.